Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we'll show you how to clear cookies in the last 4 weeks in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Look for the 3 dots icon at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Once you're in the settings, click on Privacy and Security. Step 5. Find and click on Clear Browsing Data. Step 6. In the time range box, click on the drop-down menu and select 4 weeks. Step 7. Next, locate the option for cookies and other site data and click on the box next to it to turn it blue. Step 8. Finally, click on Clear Data at the bottom to initiate the clearing process. That's it. Following these simple steps will help you clear cookies in the last 4 weeks in Chrome on your PC. This is important for maintaining your privacy and ensuring a smooth browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.